My name is Aziz. I'm going to be taking you through how to install Terraform on Linux operating system. So this is a walkthrough step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first of all, you need to have your machine running Linux, or you have a VM on a cloud platform, AWS, Google, Azure, or you have it on Blue Ocean. So make sure you log into this virtual machine and run sudo apt-get install unzip so that you can use it to uncompress the Terraform zip file that we are going to download from Terraform website. So use the command wget https according to what I have on my screen here. So, but make sure you check for the latest edition so that you be sure you are installing the latest edition of a Terraform. But if you have a particular edition in mind, you can still follow the same procedure to get it done. So once you use wget to have it on your system, use unzip to unzip it, which is the extra downloaded file archive, unzip terraform, the particular version you have unzipped. Then you move it to the binary directory so that you can make reference to it. You can use it anywhere in the system. So on this very system, I have VMware running. So I'm going to show you VMware. So I have VMware running. So I have the Kali Linux running on one of my virtual machine on this very system. So I'm going to be putting it on. Though it's outside the scope of this course for me to teach you how to install VMware and also deploy a virtual machine. So, but it's very, very straightforward. If you have to install a virtual machine using VMware or using Oracle VirtualBox, for VMware, once you download VMware of your choice, I'm using VMware 12, VMware Workstation version 12. That is what I'm using on this very system. So once you have it installed, you go to this place, you click on new to create a new virtual machine. So you picked all the necessary options. So, but if you're installing for the very first time, you click on this image, ISO image. So there are different ISO image out there for different operating system. If you want for Ubuntu Linux operating system, you can download one for free. If you want for Windows, you can download for free. If you want for Red Hat, you can download for free. There are so many distribution of Linux or Linux operating system out there that you can download and install as a virtual machine. So once you have it running on your system, so you just have to click on the machine like this, click on power on, start, stop, suspend. So just like you having a second PC running on your a second machine running on your PC. So my normal computer is going to be the host machine. So while your virtual machine is going to be your guest machine or your guest OS. So my guest OS here is Kali Linux running on a VM that is powered by VMware. So, but I'm not going to be working directly on it. I'm going to be using a tool called Solar Putty, or you can use Putty, which is another version. So I'm going to be using it to SSH into the virtual machine, which is my Kali Linux that I'm running. So I have it here with the IP address 192.168.244.136. So once I double click, it will ask for my username and password because I've logged in from here before. So I'm going to be putting my password. So I have my machine there. So everything I explained previously in the previous slide, I've done that process here. So for me to confirm that I've installed my Terraform, I can type Terraform version, then to show me, so I have my Terraform here. So that is what I'm going to tell you how to set it up. It's very, very easy and straightforward. But if you have any question, you can always ask me. You can reference back so that I can explain how to work through any of these things. If you're finding it difficult to install probably a VM or you are finding it difficult to install your Terraform, you can always put it in the comment section so that I can give you a walkthrough about it. Thank you.